Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Sorry, my voice may be a bit shaky because I'm under the weather. What I want to talk about is the viral video of Nigerites or residents of Niger State in their thousands protesting against hardship in the country. And I have to make this video to give a clue to the real reason why they are protesting, aside the hardship in the country, which everyone can agree. Now, Niger State has 25 local governments. Niger State used to be a bastion of peace and tranquility. Niger State, many people did not know, used to be the largest producer of rice in Nigeria. Niger State used to compete with Benue State as the food basket of the nation. How did I get to know this? When Dr. Babangida Aliyu was governor of Niger State, and Professor Yahya Mohammed, a professor of agriculture at University of Ibadan, who was the secretary to the state government. I reached out to Professor Yahya and I told him that I have heard so much about Niger State, what Dr. Babangida Aliyu was doing, that I want to come and do a research on servant leadership. Because at that time, Babangida Aliyu was addressed as the chief servant of Niger State, and he was applying servant leadership as a principle of governance. So I went to Niger State and I did a report that covered the whole 25 local governments. And the result of that research was the book, Servant Leadership, How the Chief Servant, Dr. Babangida Aliyu, is transforming Niger State. Now, that transformation, which started from Alhaji Kure or Engineer Kure as governor, had stopped since the APC came into governance in that state. Niger State, that used to be a bastion of peace, is today under serious threat by bandits, herdsmen, and what have you. So the thousands of people you saw on the street, these are people ordinarily would be in their farms to produce what they will feed their families with. Now they cannot be able to go to the farm. And like I said, tell you earlier on, Niger State used to be the largest producer of rice in Nigeria. Today people talk about KB. KB is nowhere near Niger State, because you talk about Kutigi rice, Bida rice, and what have you. These places are really totally farming community. But these 8.5 years of APC has destroyed peace and tranquility in Niger State. So what they are protesting is not just that the hardship is biting them. Supposing the hardship is the only reason. Hardship, the inflation in the country now is over 50%, some say over 70%. That we don't have to believe the MBS statistics on inflation. Now, If all those people, thousands of people that went viral on social media protesting the hardship, they, there is peace in their communities, they could go to farm. These people are serious farmers. They can produce the rice, the beans, the millet, the guinea corn, what have you, to feed their families. But they cannot. That is the frustration you saw on the streets. And it's a warning sign to the APC that they have to do something about insecurity in the country. Niger State, for Niger State to have such a demonstration, you know that it has reached the neck of the people of Niger State. Niger State are largely peaceful people. Niger State is at the center of North Central and in northern Nigeria. But you hardly hear that there are religious crises in Niger State. I'm telling you that. There has been tolerance between Christians and Muslims. In the last election, a PDP candidate, a Christian, won in Bida's senatorial council area. The area where the emir of Bida or Eslupe is in charge. That shows you the level of tolerance. I don't know whether the man is still there because I didn't follow up the petitions against his election. But he defeated APC candidates, and he's a Christian. Even Professor Jerry Gana's son, a Christian, won a seat in the House of Reps. I don't know whether the appeal court has sacked him for now. But I'm saying this for you to understand the level of tolerance in Niger State, that they are not people that are too much into ethnicity and religious bigotry. And they have a smooth transition program. They rotate their governorship among zone A, B, C, and it has been like that since 1999, unquestionably. So these people are peaceful people. For them to demonstrate on the street the way they did, it is a signal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that he has to do something about the runaway inflation in the country right now. He has to come back quickly to address the hardship in the country and then address the insecurity. Because I can tell you for free, if the communities in Niger State are secured, they don't give a damn about the level of inflation, as I keep saying. They will be able to afford most of the basic needs of their families. They are strong farmers in whatever crop you can think of. And Niger State was a leading producer of rice in this country under the PDP administration of Dr. Muazu Babangida, in which I did a detailed study that resulted in the book, Servant Leadership, how the chief servant, Dr. Muazu Babangida, is transforming Niger State. So I know what I'm talking about. It was since the APC came in that things fell apart in Niger State. So the insecurity is at the root of what you saw on TV and viral video. And the president must do something about it. Niger State, for Niger State to protest, like I keep telling people, when was the last time you heard that there was a religious crisis in Niger State? When was the last time? When? There was nothing like that. Even with the farmers headers menace, Niger tried to manage them, but these guys are unmanageable. And the result is the disquiet, people driven from their communities, and now they have hit the street because they cannot afford the price of goods in the market, and they cannot go to farm to produce their own food. That is at the root of it. So the APC administration, if really they are serious, they should tackle the inflation in the country. They should be able to do something to stop the fall of the naira to this ridiculous level of about 1,500 naira to the dollar, which is at the root of all this crisis. And of course, the removal of this fuel subsidy without a remedial program in place. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. Please, sorry about my voice. I'm under the weather somehow, but I have to do this video. Thanks, and God bless.